Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the Paradigm Shift. Today, we are in conversation with Meena and Atul Mehta, the founders of Manuni Foundation. It is such a pleasure to have this beautiful couple on board. Please welcome Meena and Atul ji. Good
Jai Sainath.
evening.
Good
Jai
evening, Jai
Sainath.
Sainath.
जय साईनाथ। ओके सो मीना जी, आप और अतुल जी इतने क्यूट कपल हैं। मुझे ये बताइए कि हाउ डिड यू गाइज मीट?
We met at the age of 13, and
ओके
it is we were together in school, and
ओके
we got married when we were 16, 17. He was
ओह
17, I was 16, and it was a love come arranged marriage.
ओके
But we ran away from home at the age of 19
ओह
with a child. We went to
ओके।
Surat.
अच्छा,
हाँ, we had
आपका ही बच्चा था कि किसी और के बच्चे को लेके
नहीं
भागे
नहीं
थे आप?
हमारे हमारे बच्चा यार our child we ran away with
ओके
our child
ओके
and we had
एंड
only
फिर
500 rupees with us and
ओके
all this is bonus and God gave us the
ओके
strength to struggle and today we are very well off and doing lots of work for the underprivileged
ब्यूटिफुल
and less fortunate people.
ब्यूटिफुल Beautiful. So, you founded the Manuni Foundation. That was almost 8 years ago. तो उसके बारे में
Yeah,
बताइए कि how did this come, how did this come across, and how did you start this, and how how
yeah,
did it all begin?
we started on the 12th of June,
Okay.
2013.
All
Uh,
right.
we saw two girls picking up sanitary napkins from the dustbin, used,
Oh.
and then we stopped the car and we asked them.
Hmm.
So they told us that every month we collect sanitary napkins from the dustbin, wash them, and reuse them. So this touched my
Oh.
heart. So I thought when I want to do
Oh.
this work for the poor girls who do not afford, because affordability is a big
Oh.
problem. And those girls gave me lots of inspiration. Like I was very much touched by those girls. So I told
Mm-hmm.
my husband, we'll start this work. But how to start? Like
Oh.
this is a taboo so many years back. 2013.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So we started from municipal schools because we needed a platform. So we
Yes.
started from municipal schools and
Hmm.
we started giving only pads. The
Okay.
two girls were more than happy. But
Wow.
one day one girl came and told me in my ears, "Okay, Daddy, we do not have underwears, and we use
Oh.
two underwears between eight sisters." So
Oh
that
my
really touched my
God.
heart. Touched my heart, and we started giving underwears. Then my husband said, "Let us start giving a shampoo, four shampoo pouches, and one soap." So that is the
Okay.
formation of our magical kit. We called it the magical kit.
Okay. Okay.
That started for about
Okay.
2 years. 2 years we did this work.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
one day we saw one girl sitting with her hands folded just near the
Huh.
school. Like we used to go every day, like
Right.
35 municipal schools and about
Hmm.
10,000 girls every month.
Right. Yeah.
And one girl we saw sitting in one corner with her hands folded. So we just, and we learn from observation. So we used to
Yeah.
observe these girls. So
Hmm.
this girl told me, "Daddy, we do not have underclothes. So we
Okay.
do not take part in sports or anything."
Yeah.
So we
Yeah.
thought of giving them sports bra also. So
Okay.
from that day, we started giving two sports bra, two underwears, a packet of pad, one packet of half kilo khajur, and half kilo
Okay.
chana. And this was called our big
Wow.
magical kit. And for
Wow.
5 years, we did this every month
Wow.
to 35 municipal schools, 20 anganwadis,
Wow.
two public gardens,
Wow.
where
Wow.
any lady can come and take a pad from me. So
Wow.
this is our journey, and
Yeah.
most of the localities where we used to go, those localities have
Huh.
almost had become rag free. But due to the pandemic,
Wow.
due to the pandemic, I feel so sorry that I cannot help them anymore because I don't go out of the
Okay.
house.
Okay.
So
Yeah, being
let's
a senior
pray that,
citizen, you should not.
yeah,
Hmm.
let's pray those girls do not switch on to rags again, because food is a problem now for them.
Right, right.
Uh, and our girls, they taught their mothers to wear a sanitary napkin. So we had
Oh,
areas and areas where people were
hmm.
switched off from rags to pads.
Wow,
So
that is so good.
for 8 years we did this work every day. Fill the rickshaw, we bought a rickshaw, fill the rickshaw with all this, go to a school, distribute them, teach them. Sauthi Pehla, we
Huh.
used to teach them how to wear the pad, how to
Right,
use it,
right,
change it after
right,
6 hours, and the main thing,
right,
how to dispose.
right, right, right.
So this is what we used to do every day.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, and then
Wha-
the girls who do not get their periods also, we started
hmm.
giving them underwear to get used to wearing an underwear. Because see, awareness is
Oh,
spread by giving.
yes,
Awareness is spread by
yes.
giving. It's not by banner
Right,
baji. So
right,
our motto is
right,
always give,
right, right,
give, and then tell them to explain them how to wear. So we
right,
started giving underwears from class one,
right.
to class five. Girls who do
Huh.
not get their periods, give them the underwears, and then
Wow,
afterwards teach them how to make them feel a pad. How this is the pad. They've
wow.
never seen a pad. Give them the
Right,
training to see the pad, how to use a pad. So this is what it
right,
is.
right.
This is
Amazing.
how
This is
my,
so good. And this is such an amazing story. मतलब सच्ची मीना जी जब आप ये बता रहे थे कि it this really touched my heart. I am not aware of this that people actually picked up use pads and then reuse it. This is like
yeah.
comes as a shock to me. I know that they use cloth, but this use pad thing. So what you're doing is an exceptional thing. It's such a noble cause that you're doing, and your work has been appreciated by our PM Narendra Modi ji. He has tweeted about you in Man Ki Baat. Akshay Kumar ji, Sudha Murthy ji, all these people, HDFC Bank, they have all, appreciated your work and awarded you things. That is such an amazing work that you're doing. Beautiful. सो आप मुझे बताइए सो नाउ लाइक यू सेड ड्यूरिंग द पैंडेमिक आपका ये पैड्स का जो देना था ये रुक गया सो देन यू स्टार्टेड फीडिंग अंडर प्रिविलेज किड्स सो हाउ डिड दिस
Yeah.
बिगिन आई मीन ये कैसे शुरू हुआ
See, during the pandemic, one day I was at the signal. So I
हम्म
asked one lady, कि आप भीख क्यों मांगते हो? So she
हम्म
said, what to do? I have children. I can't feed them.
हम्म
So I said,
या
तो फिर आप क्या करते हो? I stopped the car. I
हम्म
love to talk. I love to
या
talk, interact with people. So,
सो
so
स्वीट
she said, see, what we do is, we gave our children small little tobacco every day.
हाँ हाँ
So they do not ask for food.
ओ माय
So every day
गॉड
I give them tobacco. So the tobacco lasts for, the tobacco will
आई
last
कांट
for,
हाँ या नाउ टेल मी
that, tobacco will last for few hours.
ओके
You
ओके
got my point? Yeah.
यस यस यस
So they
यस
and they won't feel hungry.
ओ
So
माय
that really touched my
गॉड
heart. I said, this is bad. So I said, we must
ओ
start
माय
on
गॉड
malnutrition, because India is 94th on malnutrition, for malnutrition. And those
ओके
children were
ओके
sleeping. I always used to wonder why these children are sleeping the whole day. Street children,
Yeah,
because
yeah,
of
yeah.
tobacco. You just notice they must
Right.
be sleeping, because something
Yes,
they
yes.
give, so they don't ask for food. Yeah,
All the babies
yeah,
in the beggar's arms, they're always sleeping. Yes,
we're
I have
sleeping.
noticed that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So because they get something they give, the children don't ask
Uh,
for food. So I told
right,
my husband,
right,
see, during the pandemic, we must do something sitting at home. So we
right.
approached our serving partners. Because we need
Hanji.
somebody to go and give them. So we approached one
Right.
or two serving partners, young
Hmm.
children, young boys. So they said, okay,
Right.
okay, madam, we'll serve them. So every day
Okay.
we cook for about 200 to 250 children.
Wow.
Uh,
Wow.
rice base,
Amazing.
rice base.
Wow.
That rice, we put meat, khajur, dry fruits, everything we crush and put in, because they've never seen a
Right.
dry fruit. So if you put them whole, they
Right.
may throw it out. So everything is crushed. Then we put ghee.
Crushed.
We
Okay.
put ghee.
Okay.
Yeah, we put
Huh.
ghee, and then we
Huh.
make all the pulses like dal, all the
Right.
dals. Yeah,
Right.
and we put soya chunks also. Soya chunks
So
in the
good
food,
for protein.
and then we make
Correct.
yeah for protein, and then and nutritive food, and then we make boxes, 200-gram boxes, and then we give our
Right.
serving partners, and they distribute in the
Wow.
slums.
Wow. That is
And
that
then
is amazing.
and this partner of ours, his name is Jignesh Bhai
Hmm.
Gandhi. He has started an
Okay.
old age home, free old age home.
हाँ जी.
Like people
हाँ
picked
जी.
up from the roads and people picked them from everywhere. So their
Hmm.
food, the evening food is served by us. So we
Wow.
give them in the containers. We do not give
Yeah.
silver foils to them. We give them containers
Yeah.
because they can't manage. So in those containers, we give them soft food,
Hmm.
chewable, digestible food for them. 20, there are
Right.
20 dada dadis, seniors. So we gave
Oh,
them
so
sticks.
good.
We gave them sticks. We gave them wicks. We gave them cotton buds. We gave them Vaseline, blankets, whatever they need. I just observe socks. So we look after them, and daily we give them food, and daily one small sweet we make for them, like khajur ka laddu hai, besan ka laddu with jaggery. So
Wow, this is so good.
our cooking starts from 2 o'clock. Actually, from the previous
Okay.
night because we have to
Right.
soak the pulses. And by
Yeah.
2 o'clock we start cooking. By 4:30 the
Hmm.
food is gone, and by 5:30 the
Right.
people eat the food.
Right.
Why 5:30? Because where these children stay, there is no light.
Right.
So by
Right. Right.
5:36 they finish their food, and by the time
Yeah.
they're rag pickers children.
Right. Right.
So if they ask for food, they are beaten.
Yeah.
Yeah, if
Oh.
they ask for food, they are beaten. So if their
Oh
stomach
my
is full,
God.
because they all are drunkards and all naturally, you can't change their way of life. You
Oh
have to
yeah.
change.
Right.
So these
Right.
children, by the time their parents come, they're off to sleep.
Oh
Yeah,
my
and then they're
God.
very dirty. So we started giving them wet wipes so they can clean their hands and their face and then the nails and all, and then eat. Then we put a spoon also inside, and this is our daily routine. रोज का हमारा routine है ये. I can't hear you, dear. I can't hear you.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, yeah,
Can
yeah,
we
yeah,
hear? Can you hear me
yeah,
now?
yeah, yeah,
All
yeah,
right.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
I don't know. Something happened.
Doesn't
So
matter. Doesn't
this
matter.
is Atulji was saying something.
Yeah. Should I give him this thing?
No, no. What was he saying?
Good evening, madam.
Good evening,
Can you hear me?
Atulji. Yes.
Good evening.
Atulji, you know my father's name is also Atul. So
Oh, so you're
yes.
my soul daughter. You are my soul
Yes.
daughter. Yeah.
So sweet. Yes. So अतुल जी tell us कि ये जो आपको अभी खाना पकाने में और सब में आपकी होम डिपार्टमेंट ने आपको लगा दिया है तो what do you feel? How do you feel about it? Because she always told me we're 2 heads and 4 hands and we make the खाना. So बताइए how do you feel about this whole thing?
I think they call it कार सेवा. भगवान की सेवा
Okay.
कर रहे हैं और ये जो कुक कर रहे हो
Really?
भगवान का प्रसाद है वो प्रसाद बांट
Right.
रहे हैं. This is
हाँ.
what we do.
Beautiful. Beautiful, so well said. And I like the way that मीना जी को कोई मिल जाता है वो बात कर लेते हैं then she takes a प्रण कि मुझे ये करना है and you're always by her side and supporting her and you know saying yes we will do this. This is such a beautiful thing. It's amazing.
It's woman power, you know. It's woman power.
So good. That is
Yeah.
so good.
It
Okay.
is respect, my dear. It is respect. Only
Right.
respect. We'll be
Amazing.
doing
So,
something good. We'll be doing something good now. That
right,
is
right,
important.
right.
Doing good is
So,
important.
अतुल जी, you tell us about this feeding the this and आपका जो मानुनी फाउंडेशन से और अभी तक का जर्नी हो गया, would you like to add anything to this?
See, only few sentences I'll say. It is a bit
Okay,
philosophical. It is philosophical.
okay, हाँ जी,
Yeah. It is always give to get. Give
beautiful.
to get.
Yeah, right,
If you give no,
beautiful.
you will get in multiple.
Right, wow,
You give one, you will get 11. You give 11, you will
amazing.
get 111.
Right,
Hmm?
so good,
Always
so
give.
good.
Always give.
Yes, right,
Giving no gives you a satisfaction, it gives you joy, and it gives you happiness also.
right,
If you
so
you have to
good.
give whole with your heart, you give, but nothing there. There is no
Right,
formula after it. There is no formula. There is no Google after
beautiful,
it. You have to just keep
beautiful.
on giving people and be happy. See, I am happily crying now. Right?
Oh,
Thank you, beta. Thank you. Thank
amazing.
you. Beta.
No, thank you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
So we can go back to Meena ji.
हाँ जी बोलिए. She made my husband cry.
Meena ji, that was, I know, I'm so sorry.
She cries every day.
Yeah, so good.
Yeah,
So
every
I
day.
think that is why, yeah, because I think because you both are so compassionate and so emotional people, that is why your heart moves. I think whenever you see something wrong happening or something,
Yeah.
some kind of a thing that you feel that you need to help people. So अभी जैसे आपने ये खाना का किया है, and then you have also started old age homes and all. So what do you think will come ahead? Matlab, do you have any more plannings after this?
See, we are 62, 63. So we
Right,
want to do this work properly till our Saturday. Like
right.
there will be people increasing in the old age home. There are 18 now, and they have the capacity
Wow.
about 50. 50. They have the
Okay.
capacity about 50. So we have
Right.
promised ourselves that we are going to provide food for as many people come at the old age home for the evening.
Beautiful.
We have promised ourselves, and God is great. And about these children, we can only serve about 200 children, 250 to 200 children every day. What is our
Right.
capacity we want to do, because we don't want to overdo things. Then your focus is
Right.
you cannot focus because we
Right.
put so
Right.
many things. So the cutting,
Yeah.
chopping, we are only two of us, 2 heads and 4 hands.
Yeah.
Because
We have
Yeah.
nobody, nobody to help us.
Yeah.
And I don't trust
Right.
anybody because people don't come with the same heart. Like
Right.
if I keep
Right.
servants, they won't come with the same heart. So the cooking will
Yeah.
not be so good and so pure. You got
Correct.
my point.
I
So
I remember that day. हाँ,
yeah.
बोलिए sorry, बोलिए. I remember
No,
that
tell me.
day when I gave you a call and I said, अच्छा मीना जी, we want to interview you for Paradigm Shift and आप अपना bio भेज दीजिए and ये वो, and I love the way you say, बेटा मेरा कोई बायो वायो नहीं है, मेरा शेड्यूल रोज यही होता है, मैं सुबह से चॉपिंग शुरू करती हूँ, सुबह से तैयारी करती हूँ, रोज खाना बनाती हूँ और रोज डिस्पैच करती हूँ 5:36 को. सो मेरा बायो यही है. आई जस्ट लव्ड इट एंड आई हैव टोल्ड माय पेरेंट्स अबाउट यू एंड आई हैव टोल्ड माय इन-लॉज अबाउट you, and they were like, oh my god, and to do something like this, Meena ji, and consistently and every day, it takes a lot, like it just,
Yeah, it takes a lot.
you have to put in that energy and love and caring and passionate. You're so passionate about it that, rose up kar rahe ho. That is such a beautiful thing. Amazing.
And during the pandemic, we could not have vegetables. So all the
Okay.
dals in the house, we took out all the dals in the house. Chalo, we'll make this,
Right.
we'll make that. Then we
Yeah.
ask for vendors to come and give it to our house, put it outside our house.
Right.
That's what we do now
Right.
also. We do not let anybody
Right.
enter our house. We put it
Huh.
outside, sanitize everything,
Huh.
then bring it inside,
Huh.
because we have to look after ourselves also. So we can
Right.
work more.
Right.
So
Correct.
we
Correct.
put lot of efforts and love. Main thought, we work with love. Because I was the laziest
Absolutely.
person to cook. And now I'm
Acha?
cooking for more than 300 people. I hate to cook. And now
Oh
I'm
my
cooking
God.
every day for so many
Okay.
people and so many children. So every day we have live. This gentleman knows Jignesh Bhai. He shows us live. So every day these children talk to me like, "Hello, Dadi, हमको तुम्हारा खाना बहुत अच्छा लगा." These old elderlies also they talk to us. "Daddy, thank you so much." Like they're so happy that they are getting a little
So
food
good.
to eat,
And they
like,
eat so fast.
and they eat so fast. Like we feel they are really hungry.
They finish one packet
Right.
and immediately
Immediately they ask for the second packet, like. So I feel so
Oh,
blessed that I am doing this work, and I feel so blessed that God has given us this opportunity to do this work. And I wish, must
beautiful.
pray that our health is good and we can serve more and more
and
people.
lot many people are coming
Of
Yeah,
forward.
course.
and not many people are coming forward to give us pulses, grains, chawal, ghee,
Right.
tail. They put it outside our house and go away. I don't know who they are.
Wow.
And they're so, and they
Daily we
also
give chicken.
daily we give
Huh.
chickies to these children. So they
Huh.
finish the food and then that lalach कि तुमको बाद में चिक्की भी मिलेगी. So they finish
Huh.
their food fast and stand in the line for chikki.
Oh,
And then we give them
beautiful.
good chana.
In between meals.
Yeah, in between meals. So by 2 o'clock, if they feel hungry, they can have little good chana because their parents are
Okay.
rag pickers. They do not have any schedule. And for
Right.
these dada dadis, daily we give them anything sweet with jaggery.
Hmm.
So they are
Right.
most
Right.
happy. Like, so this is our routine.
Right.
No
And
specific
So,
we
routine.
appeal. एक बे मानस है तुम्हें खाली.
And I tell people, I plead to people, that just look after two people.
One
Two people, two children. Give them good, healthy, homemade food. Don't give
huh.
doklas and khaman from outside and just give them chalo ho gaya khana. Don't do that.
Huh.
Give them good, healthy
Okay.
food. Just two people, just 5
Oh,
people. 5 people you
that
can
is
serve.
so
No, you
good.
can make 10 rotis. You can make more in the house, and you can just. But
Right.
this is my plea. That's what I do with pad distributing also. Adopt 5 girls and give them pads and panties. I told Akshay Kumar
Wow.
also. I said after
Huh.
making Pad Man, people started
Hmm.
giving pads, but they didn't think
Okay.
कि पैंटी बिगर पैड कैसे पहनेंगे.
the same
Right.
word.
Right.
Same word I told him. So he literally
Yeah.
cried. He said, दादी मेरे नजर में नहीं आया ये. नहीं तो आप एसी कैबिन में बैठ के काम करते हो. I go to the grassroots level.
तो क्या बोला
तो
पिक्चर
उसने क्या बोला, दूसरी बार मैं पिक्चर बनाऊंगा दादी और आपको मैं हीरो लूंगा, पैंटी पे पिक्चर बनाऊंगा. So he was really moodless, but he wanted to make the वातावरण light. So he just said this one phrase के मैं अच्छी पिक्चर बनाऊंगा
Oh,
पैंटी पे. So pad without a panty
this
is
is
useless.
period poverty in
Yeah,
India.
and there's lots of period poverty. Same way, hunger is also very bad. Hunger poverty is
right.
there. So you give them food, good nutrition food. So just give them dal chawal. I'm not saying give them badam,
Right.
pista, but homemade good
Right.
food, not
Yeah.
leftovers. Don't give all that.
Yeah. Yeah. My
Tell me.
God, this has really, really touched my heart. Really touched my heart. Okay, coming to the next question. So, do you accept donations, and where can one donate for these things?
Yes. See, my Manuni Foundation is for, it was registered for my only underprivileged women and girls for pads, panties.
Hmm.
Now we are going
Okay.
to renew it for all type of charity because the
All
pad
right.
cutting is
All
going to
right.
stop now because I can't go to the slums.
And
So,
Right.
so now what happened is that now we are renewing that, and then my number is
Yeah.
there for Manuni Foundation.
Right.
making an amendment.
Right.
Yeah,
Amendment.
it's
Okay.
making an amendment, right? So then I can
Okay.
accept donations on my Manuni Foundation. I'll send you the
All right.
card.
Yeah.
I can
Yeah.
accept that. But
Okay.
provided people have to give me the Aadhaar card number
All
because
right.
that is a must
Yeah.
mandatory.
That is a
Yeah,
mandatory. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
So,
So
so do you have a website of Manuni Foundation, or somebody just can personally message you? Because we will be putting your links, Meena Mehta and Atul Mehta Manuni.
We do
So
vendor.
in the video, so
Vendor also we can put it.
see, what people can do. They can send the money to the vendor, and the vendor can
hmm.
give us the pulses or whatever they want to give. I can send you the
Okay.
vendor's number and all. Better,
All
no?
right. Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Right?
It's
So
simpler.
It's simple.
yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, simpler. So what we'll do is we will, once this video is posted, we will
Yeah.
put in a link, or we will put that anybody who wishes to donate, you can contact Meena ji or Atul ji on their personal message on on Facebook
Number.
personal
Yeah.
messenger. And if you want, we can put in your WhatsApp numbers also, and they can contact you, and then you can guide them how
Yeah.
to
Yeah. Yeah.
send you
Yeah.
the money. That
So
is
that's what.
such a noble thing.
Yeah, that's what Sudhamurthy did. Mrs. Sudhamurthy did. Like that time, we did not have a trust. So on my
Hmm.
birthday, she called me up and she told me that I want to send you pads, money, 1 lakh. I said,
Huh,
see, I cannot
huh.
accept because I do not have an account. So
Hmm.
she took out a way and she said, I'll send the money to the vendor. So twice on my birthday, she
Wow.
sent me one lakh rupee sanitary napkins. And I also gave her this.
Wow.
I also told her, "Hey, Sudhamurthy ji, you should give panties. Okay, I give panties every 6 months. Why do you give them every month? Now, can you answer
Hmm.
why do I give panty every month, Dipchika? Tell me. Can you answer
Because
this
अभी
question?
अभी अभी जैसे आपने बोला कि there are sometimes so many sisters, and they were sharing 6 sisters and two this, and washing, and probably they are wearing that one panty only all the time. I'm sure it gets worn out. So that is why probably you give it every month.
Yeah, yeah. Because see what happens when you wear for to wear a pad, you need a tight panty. And by the
Yeah.
time that girl gets a chance to wear her panty, the panty is already worn out and loose. So there's no
Okay.
point in wearing that panty. So every month for
Right.
her personal use, I have to give her two panties every month.
Each
Right.
child.
So good.
Each child every month.
So
Yeah.
good. This
So
has
this is
really,
how it is.
really touched. I mean, really
Everything by
touched my
family.
heart. Really touched.
Uh,
Good.
See, people should start doing something or the other because God has given us so
Yeah.
much. Yeah.
We are the privileged one.
And we are the privileged one, and Sainath is giving us whatever we want to do. So we are focused and limited our work. Like we don't do all the work.
Yes.
Like
Yeah.
food bar
Yeah.
also we do rice based. We don't do roti, chawal, ye, wo, we don't do that. For rice based. Pad panties, this
Right.
way. So focusing your
Right.
work gives you strength. Like your strength is not, withered away. You have to, your strength should be saved to think also.
Focused.
Then if
Yeah.
you get tired, you can't
Yes.
think also. So by
Right.
5:30
Right.
to
Right.
we are free, so we can think of something else. Tomorrow what to cook, how to cook.
Yeah.
This is what we do.
Yeah.
Routine is very
So good.
simple. There's no other
जैसे
routine.
आपने मुझे
No other
बोला.
routine. Yeah, there's no other routine. सुबह
Right.
उठे 4 कुकर रखो विथ सीटी बज कौन सी सीटी बजी यही होता है सुबह सुबह उठ
Oh.
के
You're so cute.
Thank
So
you,
cute.
dear.
And I know. So
Tell
it
me.
it was such a beautiful talk to have with you. If you like to add anything for all our viewers, so that we can have a closing note, अगर आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं हमारे सब
See, during this
viewers को.
pandemic, yeah, during this pandemic or after pandemic or during pandemic, people have gone through a lot. And the most sufferers are children and old people. So if you look after 5 people, like old people, by giving them not food, give them what they need, basic. See, we give chasma ka khokha also to old people.
Okay.
Because where do
Okay.
they put their specs? If they break, the children are not going to make them other ones. So
Right.
in the night, they can put it in that khokha, hard boxes. See, little things if you
Oh.
observe,
We give mukhwas.
little things if you observe, you give them ajwain, put namak and haldi, and you put them in a small dabbi in this winters. It is going to help them for their digestion and all.
Right.
You don't need to
Right.
give them big antacid dawa and all. They don't have to give all that. You give them
Right.
small
Right.
things like vitamin C tablets or vitamin D pouch, or give them cotton buds, Vicks, Vaseline. Like so many things you can give. You can give them cotton to put them in ears because it's very cold. So
Right.
by observation, you can learn and you can give them. And always you should be a learner. If you learn things, you can give them, like,
Beautiful.
and be a little humble, polite. See, everywhere
Yeah.
there's going to be something or the other. Isne base dala, isne kha gaya. It doesn't matter. It's a food. If he is hungry, so
Yeah.
he eat 2 packets. What is the problem?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
have a big
Yeah.
heart. Have a big
Yeah.
heart. Work with your heart, not with
Oh.
your head.
Right.
Not with your
So
mind,
good.
work with your heart. You have to work with your
Beautiful.
heart, right?
Beautiful.
This is what I want to tell
Beautiful.
the people. Come forward. If you can't do it, help us. We will do it. We are happy,
Yes.
more than happy,
Yes.
because we want to
Yes.
continue. And see, financially, everybody. That's a fact. Akshay Kumar also,
Right.
Amitabh Bachchan also asks for money. Everybody does that, right? But
Yes.
you have
Yes.
to
Yes.
work. For working, you need some financial and everything. By the grace of
Yes.
God,
Yes.
we don't need. But it's always like that. So
Yeah.
if you can't
Yeah.
work, tell us. We'll work for you. We send you the photographs. We send you the proof that we are working so much. And we want to help more and more people. And this hunger is such a thing, Deepshika. Children really, if you see them eating, I show you, I send you the pics. If you see them
Yes.
eating, you'll sit and cry only. हाथ भी नहीं धोते कुछ नहीं. Then I started giving them wipes. Give small things. Wipes.
Yes.
Because they
Now
don't
they
have
have started
water.
cleaning it daily.
Now, daily they do not eat without cleaning the hands, because wipes I give. Awareness is
Oh.
spread by giving.
It is an habit now.
It's a habit. I give them wipes with sticky. Now they
Right.
will not eat without that. They will clean the hands and then they eat. Because they see, to
So
give
good.
only they understand, no, beta. Awareness is spread by giving, you not by banner baji. My motto is that. I told Sudhamurti ji also. Awareness is spread by giving, not by
Right.
banner baji. Don't do this, don't do that
Right.
for why. See, I
Right.
stopped children doing prostitution for pads. I stopped children begging for pads.
Wow.
See, there are children who beg. If they want 20 rupees, they don't have 20 rupees.
Hmm.
See, imagine. And those children, today they are calling me up and saying, we are saving one rupee and buying pads. Dadi, we are not wearing rags. So, अपना 8 साल का जो काम था, 8 years, I worked
Yes.
and worked. So that is okay, successful to some extent.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. So now we are working on hunger. Let us see how much we can work.
Yeah.
Bless us. Tell
Yes.
people to bless us. We need blessings,
Yeah. Yeah.
right?
You. You are.
I didn't want to
You
make you
had.
cry, my dear. I didn't want to make you cry, my dear. But it's a very sensitive topic, very sensitive topic. And people have really discouraged me, but I didn't bother. People rang me up at 12 o'clock in the night also and told me, ये क्या गंदा काम है? मैंने कहा, ठीक है, अभी फोन रखो. Ask your mother what it is. Ask your sister what it is. The same thing is for hunger. If you're hungry, you can't work, you can't think. And imagine the tobacco issue.
Yeah.
You can't change everybody, but you can change somebody,
A
no?
few.
You change
Yeah.
a few.
A few. Yeah. Absolutely.
So, Deepshika, this is a very sensitive topic, and I want people to understand that hunger is really important issue. Really important
Yeah.
issue.
Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely. So you're
Sorry.
doing an amazing job, and you have absolutely. I mean, I can't imagine जो आपने आज बताया है about people using use sanitary napkins. They have to prostitute themselves for sanitary napkins. They have to beg for sanitary napkins. And then, they are kept hungry with tobacco. I think all these things, what you are covering, is such a beautiful thing. So I urge all the people that are watching from the paradigm shift, please go out and donate to the Manuni Foundation. I mean, you can get in touch with Meena ji and Atul ji, and then you can directly talk to them and give them donations for all the beautiful work that they're doing. And everybody that is watching from Meena ji and Atul ji's side, please follow the Paradigm Shift page, because we are bringing the people, inspiring people like themselves, Atul ji and Meena ji, who get out and make a difference. Like she said, bannerbazi se kaam nahi hota hai. You have to go out and do the work. It's absolutely amazing.
Yeah. Anything else you want to
And
say, my dear?
no, I am good. Atul ji kuch bol rahe the. Was he saying something? अतुल
Yes,
जी आप
my
कुछ
soul
बोल रहे
reader.
थे. अतुल जी आप कुछ बोल रहे थे. You wanted to add any closing note?
Closing note में तो बेटा my family,
Huh.
I thank them for letting us
Yes.
do this thing, and helping us
Right.
also, and
Right.
her family
Right.
also, my in-laws
Yeah.
also. Yeah. And lastly, he keeps spreading message for hunger and malnutrition. It is a
Absolutely.
need of the hour, beta, need of the hour.
Right. Right.
And
Absolutely.
and bad, we'll be facing more bad times in 2021, beta.
Yeah.
We won't be facing
Correct.
now. In 2021, we'll be facing it more.
More difficult times.
Right?
Yeah. Correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wait. Now she wants to tell.
Any little bit we can do, any little bit can we do will make a lot of difference. Give
Yes.
one roti, only one
Ye-
roti.
Yes.
Zyada
Yes.
nahi. I
Absolutely.
have collected
Yeah.
5,000 rotis during the pandemic just
Wow.
by one WhatsApp message. So people are really trusting me. Like any message I
Right.
put, next day I get whatever I want. By the grace of God and Sai
Oh.
Baba and all you little ones who really know what I do. Like really follow
And
me
understand.
and understand. See, this is a topic we have
Wow.
to understand. Every day I do not have
Right.
new topics like this is बस खाना बनाओ बस यही काम है हमारा. And like you have to और कोई काम ही नहीं है. And you won't
So
believe
good.
my backbone is my husband. Without him it was
Yes.
never possible. Never possible.
Beautiful.
My children, my
Beautiful.
husband, my daughter, and without Batul, this could never be possible. Never. So he is the backbone of this
Beautiful.
Manuni.
Beautiful. Beautiful. And
But
there is a Pooja Mehta Shah. I think she is your daughter.
my
She
daughter,
says
yeah,
my inspiring angels. Absolutely, Pooja, you are bang on because your parents are angels to you and to so many more, so many other souls that require them to come and help them out. And it's amazing. So you guys are doing an amazing job. Thank you so much. We are honored to have you on the Paradigm Shift, and we will try and spread more awareness, and we will also spread a lot of messages for hunger and for pads, and we will go out and give, and whoever wants to donate, please contact Meena ji and Atul ji directly, and this we will be putting more information
yeah,
once this video is
yeah.
done.
Okay,
Right.
okay. Can you
Right.
send me the link of this video also?
Yes, yes. I will be tagging you. I will be tagging you once this video is up. It will be on the Facebook on the Paradigm Shift page, and I'll tag you so that आपको दिखेगा. Plus, I'll also send you the link. Right. Hi,
Yeah,
Pooja.
and don't
Pooja saying
cry,
hi.
don't cry, don't
No,
cry.
I
Be
finished. I
brave,
finished crying.
be brave, be brave. I cried a lot.
Yes,
Be brave. You have to be
yes.
What
brave.
Sindhu guys said?
Sindhu Tai said, you know Sindhu Tai? Sindhu Tai Sapkal. She's a
बताइए.
lady in Pune. She's a lady
Hmm.
in Pune who has adopted about 1,500 children,
Oh
orphans.
wow.
And she had come
Ha.
in KBC also with Amitabh Bachchan.
Right.
And we had the
Right.
opportunity to meet her. Sindhu Tai
Wow.
said, do not waste your tears. They are very
Wow.
precious. So do not cry. You feel
Amazing.
like crying. Yes, you cry when you're happy. Also, you cry when you're sad. But you preserve them because those tears
Yeah.
are very valuable. Very valuable.
Right.
Okay, my
Right.
dear. God bless.
Right.
God bless.
Thank you so
Jai
much.
Sainath.
God bless you too. And thank you for being on the Paradigm Shift. Thank you. Thank you,
Yeah.
Atulji.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Meena ji. Thank
Jai
you. Bye.
Sainath, beta. Jai
Bye.
Sainath, beta.
Bye.
Oh.
Bye. Bye. Jai Sainath.